In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix NFHS network account login issues. So if you're facing the issues when you're trying to log into the NFHS network account, there might be various reasons behind it. In order to solve the problem, first of all, go to the official login interface of NFHS Network. For that, click on the search bar and type in nfhsnetwork.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFHS Network. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the login interface of NFHS. If you're trying to log into your account but you're facing the issue, the first problem might be the incorrect credentials. In that case, what you have to do is simply reset your password. For that, click on this option, forget password, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your email address. Click on the field of email address. Now provide the email address over here. After you do that, click on this option, send link. Now you can see over here the link will be sent to your email address. Go to the new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. After you do that, you can see over here Gmail will be opened. NFHS Network will send you the email. Simply click on that email. If you do not find the email in the inbox section, make sure to check the spams too. Now in this email, you'll be able to find this link. Click here to reset your password. Simply click on it, follow through the prompts and reset your password. After you do that, what you can do is simply try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the browser itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply clear the cache of the browser. Or if you're using the NFHS network application, you can also clear the cache of the application if you want. So in order to clear the cache of the browser, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, delete browsing data, that you can see on the screen. Keep in mind the process will vary according to the browser that you're using. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. Now you'll be able to delete the browsing data. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected. Also make sure cached images and files is selected. After you do that, click on this option, delete data. Now wait for a while and your cache and cookies will be deleted. After you do that, try logging into your account and you should be able to log in. But still, if you're not being able to log in, what you have to do is simply contact their customer service. In the login interface only, you'll be able to find this option for contact our customer service. Click on it. Now you'll be led to new tab. Now you'll be able to contact the customer service of NFHS Network. You'll be able to see the help articles over here. What you have to do is click on this option, help, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to chat with them. Simply wait for a while and the chat box will be loaded. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to chat with them. Click on the message bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in, I am having login issues. Now press enter. Now you can see over here, your message will be sent. Now you can see over here, they will reply to you. Simply follow the instructions sent by them and you'll be able to log into your account. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. After you try all the methods, what you can do is simply go to the login interface and try logging in by providing the credentials. Now you can see over here, your issue will be solved and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you fix NFHS network account login issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.